Hey everyone! Today, I'm excited to walk you through my latest and possibly coolest DIY project yet. A homemade solar-powered electric cargo trike. I built this thing from an old rusty three-wheeled bike and a bunch of second-hand parts, and it's perfect for anyone into green tech, off-grid living, or just building something unique on a tight budget. Let's jump into the details. So, I started with a beat-up tricycle frame I pulled from the scrapyard. First up, I stripped it down, scrubbed off the rust, and reinforced the frame to handle a bit more weight. Next, I mounted a sturdy cargo basket right between the rear wheels. You'd be surprised how much you can haul. Groceries, tools, maybe even your dog if they're up for a ride. Now let's talk about the electric setup. I dropped a 500-watt front hub motor on the front wheel for clean propulsion. It's a plug-and-play kit, so I just wired it up to a simple digital LED display and a throttle. This gives me easy control over speed. Top speed's about 15 miles per hour, which is perfect for city streets or running local errands. Powering the system, I used 312V sealed lead-acid batteries, wired in series for a total of 36V. They're tucked safely inside that big cargo basket in the back, and secured with straps so nothing bumps loose. Simple, reliable, and budget-friendly. That's the goal. Here's where things get really interesting. I added a 100-watt flexible solar panel right on top of the cargo basket, turning this trike into a mini solar EV. The panel feeds into a 36V10A MPPT charge controller with a step-up converter to get the voltage just right for the batteries. On a sunny day, I can keep the trike trickle charged for local trips without plugging it into the wall. It's not totally off-grid, but for short rides, say to the farmer's market or as an emergency backup, it gets the job done. How does it ride? Surprisingly well. Loaded up with cargo, it still feels stable, and the electric assist takes all the sweat out of hills or heavy loads. The solar panel adds a few extra miles of range, especially if I park in the sun while running errands. For longer trips, I always keep a regular charger handy, but most days, sunlight does the trick. This project really proves you don't need a big budget or fancy gear to build practical, eco-friendly transport. Just some scrap metal, basic tools, and a dash of creativity. If you enjoyed this build, hit like and subscribe for more DIY electric vehicles and green tech hacks. Got upgrade ideas or burning questions? Drop them in the comments. I'm always up for a new challenge. Thanks for watching.